So, what exactly is a quality alert? In the manufacturing industry, a quality alert is an official notification from a customer, or triggered as a result of a customer complaint, highlighting defects in parts provided by a supplier. It doesn't just report a problem, it visualizes and describes the difference between acceptable and not acceptable conditions. Let's look at how to create one, step by step. Step 1. Record the affected customer and part details, for example, Company X, Bolt 4XYYZZ Revision A. Step 2. Determine a clear problem statement, for example, coating issue, not anodized bolts. Step 3. Enclose pictures showing non-acceptable and acceptable conditions. Add comments if necessary, for example not coated bolt versus coated bolt conditions. Step 4. Authorize it. Record who and when prepared and signed it, for example prepared by quality engineer, approved by quality manager. Step 5. Distribute it. Post the quality alert physically at the problem source location, for example at production, and share with affected stakeholders, for example with customer. Step 6. Keep it visible for a while at the source of the problem to help visualize and serve as a reminder, preventing recurrence. Finally, key benefits of a quality alert. Highlights recent customer returns, guides operators on ideal part standards, helps prevent repeat non-conformities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one.